hard today. Are you actually throwing the garbage? No. This toy, I accidentally ripped his arms off, but I can still use his hands.
And what happened to this maraca?
We're going to fix it.
What happened to it?
It snapped right open. We threw it in the garbage. No, we do not throw it in the garbage.
So there used to be something that made noise on the inside.
What can we use to make it have music for us again? Rice.
Yeah, what can we use to make it have musical sound again?
Rice.
We're going to use this rice.
And I am scooping up a pot of rice and pouring it into this maraca. And now we are putting it on. Glue, we need glue.
Okay. All right, so we're going to put some crazy glue on this thing. Put it all the way around. This is from a Melissa and Doug play set, musical play set. So now that we have the glue all the way around, Ava, please put the lid on for us. Isaac. Now, Ava, please put the lid on. All right. Now we're going to push down on it till the glue dries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And now it's done.
Hey, no, but you don't get it. No, I need to eat it too. Nope, you don't get to eat it. I won't eat it. Just you want on. Oh. Shake a maraca. Shake a maraca. Shake. My turn. My turn. Click it for your thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.